Located in the extreme south of Brazil, in an area known as Caxias do Sul, the Fortunata house is a concrete house built in a traditional, open neighborhood. The house was implanted around a huge Araucaria Angustifolia tree. The driving force of the design is a search for the spirit of living, and to highlight the essential activities of architecture. The project, realized in solemn concrete, carefully reads the forested context to achieve a harmony between the built space and its natural surroundings. From the street, the house is approached by way of a winding footpath of soil and gravel, which opens onto a courtyard and into the entrance door. With this walkway, the floor of the house is read as an extension of the street, an implied integration between the public and private realms. Aiming at a minimum intervention in the landscape, the main volume is supported by a pilotis that gently touches the ground and adapts to the natural conformation of the terrain. The native vegetation was preserved almost in its entirety. A garage and entrance vestibule are nestled along the lower level beneath the pilotis. The upper level takes shape as a four-square grid and a structurally open plan. The insertion of the house into the landscape is a direct response to the constraints of the site. Designed by Luciano Lerner Basso for a young couple, the house takes on a simple programmatic organization. These quadrants divide the functions of living, working, and sleeping. Completing the program, 3 verandas built using the wood used in the concrete formwork connect the house to the back patio. They expand the living room towards the landscape. Without curtains or visual barriers between inside and outside, the dweller has permanent contact with nature, and at the same time he lives in the house, he also lives in the forest. Here's a look at the plan.